Hello students, today we are going to learn Panda library in Python. What is Panda libraries? Pandas is a most famous Python package for data science which offers powerful and flexible data structure that make data analysis and manipulation easy. Panda makes data importing and data analyzing much easier. Pandas build on packages like NumPy and Matplotlib to give us a single convenient place for data analysis and visualization work, as we already seen in the last program of matplotlib.pyplot. Uh, Now we come to basic features of the pandas. What are the basic features of the pandas? Number one is data frame object help a lot in keeping track of our data. Second is with a panda data frame, we can have different data types, float, integer, string, date and time, etc. all in one place. Third is pandas has built-in functionality like easy grouping and easy joins of data rolling windows. Fourth one is good I/O capabilities, input-output capabilities, easily pull data from a MySQL database directly into a data frame. Tools for loading data into in-memory data object from different file formats. Data alignment and integrated handling of missing data. Reshaping and pivoting of datasets. Last is label-based slicing, indexing, and subsetting of large data. We have to learn about various operation of data frame. Some are uh, mentioned here: reshaping and pivoting, slicing, indexing, and subsetting. Let's come to Panda data structure. What are the data structure in Pandas? There are two type of data structure in Pandas. First one is series, second one is data frame. Series, you can say same set of data. Series is like a one-dimensional array, like a structure with homogeneous data. For example, given series is the list of or a series of integers. What are the basic feature of the series? Homogeneous data. Homogeneous data means types of data is same of all the data. Size immutable. Immutable means no change in size or data type in the data. So these are immutable data type. Values of data mutable. We can change the value of the data but cannot change the type of the data. So it is value or data mutable. Second one is data frame. Data frame is like a two-dimensional array with heterogeneous data, and you are looking here a table in which serial number, admission number, name, class, section, gender, date of birth of some students are given here. It is like a data frame. Look, serial number are integers, admission number are also integers, name is string, class is also a string, section just string, gender string, date of birth is date. Basic feature of data frame are heterogeneous data. As you are looking here, all the data are these are integers, these are string, and these are dates. So the all the data frame is collection of heterogeneous data. Size mutable. Size of each data type is mutable and data mutable. We cannot change the data of the data frame. Now come to the Panda series. What is Panda series? It is like one-dimensional array capable of holding data of any type: integer, string, float, Python object, etc. Series can be created using constructor. Now we are going to programming part of the pandas. Here is a syntax: pandas.series. Pandas.series, where pandas is the object of panda series. We can write here any name pd.series. S is capital, and argument of the function is data comma index comma d type means data type comma copy. Creation of series is also possible from AND array dictionary scalar values. Series can be created using array dict scalar values or constant. Now we come to the Panda series. How to create a Panda series? First we are going to make a program how to create a empty series in Python using Panda. I have already made here an empty series in Panda. We have imported import pandas as PD. Pandas is a library. PD is an object of pandas. NumPy library and NP is its object. S equal to PD dot series. We have given a syntax PD dot series. Series is a function. PD is object of pandas. S is a variable in which series will be pointed. So we have to print S. What will it produce? We are running this program. Look here, series, a blank array is produced, means this series is empty series. Data type float 64 because this computer is of 64 bit, so data type is showing here of 64 bit float. Now we come to another program, create a list or series with index, without index, how to create a series without index. I'm running here another program. We have imported Panda as PT, import NumPy as NP. Now create another list. Again, import pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP. Again, S equal to PD dot series, S is capital, data comma index. I'm trying to print a series without index, so we have to give here only data only. As argument is data, so I am giving here a list of it is a list, but we will give here np dot array. We have call a function array in which we are giving a list of some variables a, b, c, d. So this is a function array which will convert it to an array. Now we are printing the series as. If we run this program, we will find, look here, default index is 0, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3,